Imagine a world where those entrusted to uphold the law break it themselves. A betrayal that shakes the very foundation of justice. That's exactly what happened in Staffordshire, and it's a story that's both shocking and deeply concerning. Heather Pinchbeck, a former prison officer, has admitted to a serious offense, making unauthorized calls to an inmate serving time for a horrific crime. But here's where it gets controversial. What motivated her actions? And what does this say about the security and integrity of our prison system? Pinchbeck, 28, confessed in Birmingham Crown Court to misconduct in a public office. Specifically, she admitted to communicating with Joseph Hardy, 31, via an illicit mobile phone while working at HMP Dovegate, a Category B prison in Uttoxeter. Hardy, you might remember, is serving a 14-year sentence for a brutal 2017 attack where he severed a man's leg with a machete, an act of violence that's almost incomprehensible. The charge against Pinchbeck clearly states that she willfully misconduct herself by communicating with a prisoner using an illicit device, namely a mobile phone, while in her official capacity. The illicit communications occurred between February 15, 2023 and March 4, 2023. While the prosecutor, Anthony Muller, didn't reveal the content or nature of these calls, the very fact that they happened raises serious questions about security protocols within the prison. And this is the part most people miss: the potential implications for the victim of Hardy's violent crime. Could these communications have posed a further threat? What was discussed? A second, similar charge against Pinchbeck may be addressed at her sentencing or simply left on file, according to Muller. Pinchbeck's legal representation requested a pre-sentencing report, which the judge granted. She was released on conditional bail and is scheduled to be sentenced on January 9th of the following year. Hardy himself faces charges related to the incident, including making illicit communications with a prison officer and possessing a mobile phone within the prison walls. The Sun reports that Pinchbeck, a business administration diploma graduate, previously worked as a prison offender manager for HM Prison Service. She is now reportedly employed by a PR agency. This detail raises another crucial question. Should someone with this kind of breach on their record be allowed to work in a role that requires discretion and ethical conduct? This case highlights the vulnerability of our prison system to corruption and raises serious questions about the screening, training, and oversight of prison staff. It is also a stark reminder of the far-reaching consequences of violent crime, impacting not only the direct victims, but also potentially compromising the integrity of the justice system itself. What do you think should be the appropriate punishment for Pinchbeck, and what steps can be taken to prevent similar incidents from happening in the future? Is there a systemic problem within the prison service that needs addressing? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.